Welcome to the first exercise in the standing position. This exercise is to teach you how to move your pelvis independently from the rest of your body. Like almost all of our exercises, I suggest you do this barefoot and make sure your feet face forwards and are not too close together for doing this exercise. You should place one hand on the sternum, the breastbone, and the other one on your pubic bone. The hand on the breastbone is to make sure the torso doesn't move, and the hand on your pubic bone lets you feel how you tilt your pelvis backwards and forwards. Now these pictures show you how your pelvis tilts forwards and backwards. You can see where the pubic bone is, but also where the sitting bone is, the lower part, and the sacrum, the hind part. This profile view lets you see how the pelvis moves independently of the rest of the body. Now you can see my body bopping up and down a little bit. That's because sooner or later your knees will want to help you do the exercise. If that happens to you, that's quite alright, just let it happen. Now I know this exercise may be a little bit difficult for some of you, but good hip coordination is extremely important, so just keep practicing until you get it right. Just to show you how important using your pelvis is, for example, in boxing, I've added this beautiful picture of a fight between Joe Frazier and Muhammad Ali. You can see how Frazier is in a perfect zigzag line. His pelvis is a bit behind, tilted forwards, which gives him more reach and a harder punch. Muhammad Ali is slipping his punch by bringing the pelvis forward and the head backwards. Now let's do this exercise together with Noemi. Place one hand on your breastbone and one hand on your pubic bone. Tilt the pelvis forwards and backwards and make sure the pelvis only turns around its central axis. Do not swing the whole body forwards and backwards. Once you can feel how the pelvis moves independently of the rest of your body, you can drop your hands and do the movement again without help. At least in the beginning of the exercise, make sure the movement is not too small and that you use the whole range of movement that you have. Should you wish to explore the movement of your lower back, you can place one hand on the sacrum, the triangular bone at the basis of your spine, and the other one on your lower ribs, and feel how the sacrum moves towards your upper hand and how that upper hand stays still. Okay, have fun!